Good day everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay City. Kahilaran nitong Breakfast Antonio to feature a 890 square meters property with a total floor area of 500 square meters across 3 levels. It has 7 bedrooms, 7 bathroom and a powder room, 2-car garage, enclosed with perimeter fence, and full view. So this property is a clean title, free from any liens, fully furnished, except sa mga personal property ng ating seller. So this one is selling in the market for 75 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Alright, so let's start the house tour.
Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Hello everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay. Guys, dito pong sa kanan natin is a 4-car garage. So this property is enclosed with the perimeter fence. So this one with a total land area of 894, 500 plus square meters across 3 levels. So 7 bedrooms. I'm sorry dahil yung ating pong video ngayon, videographer or yung ating camera and then yung ating lapel ay naiwan. So meron tayong plan A, B, C as long as makapag-feature tayo ng ma-showcase natin yung napakagandang property, guys. Alright, ganito talaga sa ating production. Anyway, this is the second level kasi meron siyang sa first level. So, you have a long area, your living area. Then, you have stairs all the way to the second floor, third level. And then, the master bedroom. So, dito sa side na to, you have 8-seaters dining table. So, this one is fully furnished. No anything you see, stay. So, move-in ready, fully functional. So, the advantage of this property, dahil ito ay full view, madalang lang tayo may property ng mga full view. So, ito ay napaka swerte natin, no? Very much lucky tayo ngayon. And then blessed dahil nakatagpo tayo ng isang property na hinahanap talaga ng iba. Then, you have your door all the way dito sa pinaka-foyer area. Then, you have a bathroom dito po sa door na ito. Right, so you have your... Anyway guys, this is the powder room dito sa side na to. So you have washer, water closet. And then, maluwag. Ang ganda ng mga pinto. Sariwang property, so na-build ito before the pandemic. So like 7 to 8 year old. Master bedroom area yan. Then you have stairs here. Papunta sa 3 bedroom with its bathroom dito po sa 3rd level. So, modern design yung pinaka-property nito. So, ang wala lang dito ay swimming pool. But may malaki pa at malawak na area wherein you can add an infinity swimming pool. Although, we build also a swimming pool, pwede nyo po kaming pagawain na lang ng swimming pool. So, this is the bedroom dito po sa 3rd level. So, as you can see, meron siyang 2 beds. Then, long balcony with full view. A bathroom area with air conditioning units. So, fully functional kasi ginagamit nila sa Airbnb right now. By the way, no, shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga manunood sa lahat ng sulok ng daigdig. From France, ayan, dito po sa Milan, ayan, thank you so much. Sa Madrid, sa Spain, thank you so much po sa Malta, sa Rome, sa Israel. Gracias contigo. Gracias amigo. And then you have your, wow, this is amazing. Imagine meron kang view ng dagat, may view ka ng lake, and then may view ka ng isla sa gitna ng Taal. So, perfect combination ng nature and a dwelling area. So, imagine early in the morning, ganito yung magiging view mo, and expect dito na nagfa-fog talaga dito sa area na to. Plus, yung fresh yung air. Breathtaking, ang ganda, marirelax ka dito. Marirevive yung nawawala mo mga energy-giving nutrients mawawala once you are in the possession of the property. Then, room sa taas, the same is as bathroom, and then washer, water closet. Ang ganda ng mga finished premium materials. Then of course, mostly dito mga wood elements, walang mga fluted panels. Then dito sa side na to, the last bedroom with a cabinet. Alright, is spacious. Ayan. Makikita nyo naman na maluwag talaga siya at ang linis. O imagine, ganito siya. So it's a hotel vibe property at nasa Airbnb ito today. Now after this side, babalik tayo dun sa second level and then third level. Ma-showcase natin yung buong property. Kahit wala tayong lapel, meron tayong plan B or C. Depende as long as marinig nyo po yung ating golden voice. Alright, beautiful finish and fixtures. We have a water closet with bidet. Ayan. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Sharon, shoutout kay Mr. Ben, shoutout kay Ma'am Sarah, at sa lahat po natin mga kaibigan out there. Thank you so much for always tuning in our YouTube channel. Alright. Anyway guys, bababa tayo. And right here, the master bedroom area. Then, this is your long living area sa side na to. Pwedeng end user, pwede rin buong income generating property. Depende po sa inyong requirements. Then, right here, you have the stairs all the way dito po sa baba. So, ang daming magagandang mga halaman. Nakaka-love yung mga halamang mamahalin na yan. At the property is full of fence. Imagine, ganito ka secluded, ganito ka private yung ating area. At marirevive, marirelax kayo dito. So once you have guests, friends, relatives, makikita nila yung ganda ng property mo. And the same way, mabubuhay yung kanilang lahat ng mga pangarap dito guys. Ang ganda. So this is the first level wherein it has 3 rooms with its bathroom plus a big lanai. So you have your space wherein pwede pa talaga kayo maglagay ng swimming pool sa side na ito. Alright? Plus, look, the view, talaga naman unobstructed. Ito yung nagdala talaga sa property. Imagine, ang ganda, although ko. Then, you have a very wide space here wherein you can add your swimming pool and etc. Then, look at the facade of the property. Adorable. Right? Imagine, nasa taas ka ng ganito kagandang ridge. Then you have the sea views, lake view, and then the island. Plus, ang lapit mo sa stratosphere. Stratosphere. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong. Just correct me, yeah. Alright, this is a vlog, no? So, the intention of this video is to update and then to make a review. Plus, makita ninyo yung paligid because this is very raw, which is very helpful sa atin po mga buyers out there na nangangarap magkaroon ng isang real property dito sa Philippines. The same way, you're in a good hands. Now, my name is Ray, a real estate broker, an appraiser here in the Philippines, and I hope to see you in our next video. Dagang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you so much guys. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon, maraming salamat sa imo. Dagang salamat. Domo arigato. Gracias, amigo. Señorita, guapa. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. And I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo. Amigo all over the globe. God bless everybody.